I guess here 5 square is 25 minus 10 in bracket divided by 5 plus 7 times 3. Here 25 minus 10 is 15 divided by 5 plus 7 times 3. Here 15 divided by 5 is 3 plus 7 times 3. Here 3 plus 7 is 10 times 3. Here 10 times 3 is 30 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 30 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule for left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here inside the bracket we have two operations. One is exponent, other one is subtraction. We have to do this exponent before this subtraction. Here 5 square is 25 minus 10 in bracket divided by 5 plus 7 times 3. Here we have 25 minus 10 is 15 divided by 5 plus 7 times 3. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. For this both equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 15 divided by 5. So we have to do this 15 divided by 5 before this addition and multiplication. So here 3 plus 7 times 3. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 3 plus 7 times 3 is 21. Here 3 plus 21 is 24 is the correct answer.